So this is where we stopped in the last class, the order of operations. Okay. Now think about the situation. Valli and her four friends went to buttermilk shop. Each had a cup of buttermilk and paid 30 rupees, assuming that the cost of one cup of buttermilk to be 6 rupees. But the shopkeeper told that the cost of buttermilk had increased by 2 rupees. Then Valli decided to give 2 more rupees and paid 32 rupees. But the shopkeeper claimed that she had to pay 40 rupees. Who is correct? Valli is wrong. Why she is wrong? Because uh, if it is 6 rupees, then it should be 5 into 6 30, right? But when it is increased by 2 rupees, each cost around 8 rupees. So 8 into 5 is 40, not 32. Okay, so this is where she went wrong. Okay, instead of adding 2 to 6, she added 2 to the whole sum. Okay, so the brackets are really important in mathematics. Okay, the amount 40 rupees claimed by the shopkeeper is correct. This confusion can be avoided by using the brackets in the correct places, like 5 into 6 plus 2. So the rule of order of operations is called BIDMAS. Is not BODMAS. BIDMAS. Okay. B means bracket. I means indices. Okay. We will be learning it later. Okay. D means division. M means multiplication. A means addition. S means subtraction. Now we try to solve this by using uh, the above mentioned rule. Okay, there are no brackets here. Okay, when there are no brackets, which one is first? There is no division also. Multiplication is first. So 5 into 2, 10. 10 plus 9, 19. Okay, this is the order, right? So we'll follow the same order everywhere whenever we don't have any brackets, right? When you have a bracket, you need not to cross check again whether you are going in a correct way or a wrong way. Fine. Now see this one. Division comes first. Okay, thereafter multiplication, bit mass. So remember that one, bit mass. Division comes first. 8 by 2 is 4. Okay, this here in this step, and then multiplication comes first. Thereafter bid mass, m means multiplication, right? 4 into 2, 8. So which one comes first? Then addition comes first rather than subtraction. So 32 minus 1, 31. Okay, that is how you should go. 6 3 is 18. Okay, 10 by 5 is 2. 18 minus 2 is 16. 18 to 2, 16. 16 plus 16, 32. Overall cost is, overall it is 52. If Arul Moji saves 12 rupees per day, then she saves dash in 30 days. 12 into 30, 360. Okay. Let us put 360 in the appropriate box. Okay. 360. Okay. Right. Let's reduce its size also. Okay. Make it blue. Still it is here. Okay. 360. If a person A earns 1800 in 12 days, then he earns dash in a day. So 1800 by 12, right? 160. Is it not 160? No. 150. Right. Okay. 150. 25, 6, 150. Yeah, right. 7 plus 8, 15. Okay. So 3 minus 2, 1. We are strictly following that bid mass. Okay. Division comes first, right? Bracket comes first. So it is 15. 45 by 15, 3. 3 minus 2, 1. Say true or false. Which one comes first? Multiplication comes first. 72 plus 3, 95. Okay, so this is wrong, false. Okay, that is how you have to proceed. This one, the multiplication comes first again. 140 minus 4, 136. This is true. True, 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 true. Bracket comes first. So 50. Thereafter division 25. 25 plus 40. How much? 65. So this is wrong. False. We are missing. Let's add that here and place false here. Number of people who visited the public library for past 5 months were 1200, 2000, 2450, 3060 and 3200. How many people visited the library in the last 5 months? Now you can add them up. Okay, a simple question without involving any brackets and any additional kind of multiplication and division kind of thing. Okay, Charan had a bank savings for 7,50,250. He withdrew 5,34,500 for education purposes. Find the balance account amount in his account. Okay, not account in his amount. Fine. So this minus this will give you the answer. Okay. In a cycle factory, 1560 bicycles were manufactured every day. Find the number of bicycles manufactured in 25 days. This into 25 is the answer. 62,500 was equally distributed in a New Year bonus for 25 employees of the company. How much did each receive? So 25 is 25 is 625. So 2,500. Okay. 2500. Correct. Simplify the following in numerical expression. Bracket comes first, so 27. This becomes 9 then. Okay. Since equal to is not there, I will place equal to also. Okay. Oh, which brackets comes first? That also you can ask. These brackets only comes first in this example. There is one example involving these brackets, right? Bar completed first. Okay. Depending upon the situation. Okay. So this is first. 5 minus 4 is, sorry, 5 minus 1 is 4. 6 minus 4 is 2. 3 minus 2 is 1. 12 minus 1 is 11. 11. Again bracket comes first. 6 minus 3 is 3. Okay. Thereafter 4. 6 minus 3 is 3. This is 4. 4 plus 3 is 7. 107. Okay. 107. And this one multiplication comes first. Thereafter addition. Okay. 8 minus 7 is 1. Oh, I need not to write it because the options are available. Just put a tick mark. 6, 6, right? 8 minus 6 is 2. 24 by 2, 12. Okay. Use Widmas and put the correct operator in the box. Answer is given. So we will figure out in the other way around. Okay. 4 plus 2. How much? 6. 12 by 6. 2. 12 by 6 is 2. Right. 4 plus 2 6. 12 by 6 is 2. So that is multiplication only, right? 12 minus 2 is 0, right? Estimation of numbers. Nearly 6,000 people watched the Republic Day parade at Rajput, New Delhi. About 280,000 people of various countries died due to the earthquake and tsunami on 26th December 2004 in the Indian Ocean. The Indian-Pakistan cricket match was viewed by about 30 million cricket fans in the television all over the world. We often come across statements like these in TV channels and dailies. Do these news items give the exact number? No. The numbers mentioned are not accurate. They are only the approximate or close values of the values to the actual ones. This is the reason why we generally use words like about, nearly, and approximately. These numbers are not only the estimation of the actual value. The word about denotes the number not exactly but a little more or less. This value is called estimated value. The actual figure, though not exactly possible, could have been this to this for the first example and could have been this to this for the second example. Imagine and write about what could have been the exact number for the third example given above. Similarly, there are many more possible numbers. Thus, to get a rough idea, we need an estimation. To get the estimated value, we generally round off the numbers to their nearest tens, hundreds, or thousands. Some real life situations where we use estimates are cost of television, cost of refrigerator, cost of mixer grinder, usually expressed in thousands of rupees. The water's population assembly constituency in state is often stated in lakhs. The central or state government's annual budget is usually given in lakh crores. When exact answer is not necessary, estimation strategies can be used to determine a reasonably close answer. Fill up the jar with some items like tamarind seeds. Let each student give an estimated estimate of number of items. Make a table of the result by finding the difference of the estimate and the actual amount. Rounding off is one way to find the a number for estimation that is quite convenient. It gives us closest suitable number according to a given place value. There are four steps involved in rounding process. Let us illustrate this with an example. This one nearest to 100. Which one? This is nearest to 400, not 500, right? So 8,400. Find the digit in hundreds place. Look at the digits to the right. Right. 3 is less than 5. If this digit is greater than 5, this digit is greater than 5, you have to add 1. This becomes 8,500. Okay. If it is less than 5, leave it unchanged. Okay. Like that. Next one, 1000. 1000 means 8 is there, right? After 8, what is the next digit? 7. It is greater than 5, so 79,000. Okay. Round off the following numbers to the nearest 10. 57 means 60. Okay. This one, 190. This one, 3,400. Sorry, 4,000. Right? Because this digit 5, the next digit is 6. 6 is more than 5. So, sorry. 3960. It is not 100. It is nearest 10, not 100. So, 3960. Next one, 5 up to 57. It is okay. 57. 310. Okay, because 2 is less than 5. Round of the following numbers to the nearest 10, 100 and 1000. Okay, this part you have to do. The tallest mountain in the world is Mount Everest, located in Nepal, 8,848 meters high. Its height can be rounded to the nearest 1000 as 9000 because 8 is greater than 5. Okay. Estimation of sum and difference. The amount deposited by a gold merchant in a bank account in the month of January is 17,53,740, and in the month of February is 15,34,300. Estimate the sum and the difference of the amount deposited to the nearest thousand. This is 17,000 nearest thousand. 17,50,000. This one 15,30,000. Okay. Oh, difference between them. Estimate the sum and difference of the amount. Okay, sum is this 32 lakh 88,140. So nearest thousand means 8,000 only. Here 2 lakh difference 2 lakh 90,340. So nearest thousand. Right. Nearest thousand. Estimation of product and quotient. If the cost of a copy of Tirukkural book is 188 rupees, then find the estimated cost of 31 copies of such book. Find the rounded values of 188 and 31 and find and then the result. Okay. 188 is nearest to 200. 31 is nearer to 30. Multiply 6000. Estimated cost is 6000. Okay. This one divided by this one. Actual value we can calculate, but what we want is estimation. So 5598 is close to 5600. 689 is close to 700. This by this is how much? 8. Okay. Estimate the sum and the difference. Estimate the product. Estimate the quotient. Okay. I think you can do this now. Fill in the blank. The nearest 100 of 843 is 900. Which one is the nearest, 800 or 900? 800 is nearest. The nearest 1000 of 756 is 1000. The nearest 10,000 of 85,640 654 90,000. Say true or false. 8567 is rounded up to 0 to the nearest 10. No, that is false. Nearest to 10 means 8570 is the answer. 139 is rounded up to 100 to the nearest 100. Right. 1 crore 70 lakh 51,972 is rounded off as 1 lakh 1 crore 70 lakh in the to the nearest lakh. No, 71 lakh. So that is wrong. Round off the following to the given nearest place. 4065 100 4100 1000 next one 45,000 10,000 90,000 lakh 51 lakh, 10 crore, 30, 30 crore. Estimate the sum and round off the nearest crore 10,000. That also you can do. Estimate by rounding off each number to the nearest hundred. That also you can do. The population of the city was 43,43,645 in the year 2001 and 46,81,087 in the year 2011. Estimate the increase in population by rounding off to the nearest thousand. This also you can do. The number which are rounding off to the nearest thousand gives 11,000 years. And only one number is possible in this example. That is this. The estimate into the nearest hundred of 76,812. This one only. The number is round off to the nearest lakh as 98 lakh. Yes, this one. The estimated difference of this and this rounded off to the nearest thousand is. This also we do. Whole numbers. What is mathematics about? It is about numbers, perhaps about shapes as well. It is true that people usually count 1, 2, 3 on various situations. This collection of counting numbers 1, 2, 3 is called natural numbers denoted by n. If this collection includes 0, then well, the collection is called whole number denoted by w. Recall the facts on natural and whole numbers. The smallest natural number is 1. The smallest whole number is 0. Every number has successor. See, the natural number starts from 1. Whole number starts from 0. Okay. 0 common natural numbers is nothing but whole numbers. Every number has a successor. The number that comes just after the given number is its successor. Every number has a predecessor. The number 1 has a predecessor in W, namely 0. But it has no predecessor in natural number. The number 0 has no predecessor in whole numbers. Okay, in W. There is an order to numbers. By comparing the two given numbers, the larger of the two can be identified. Numbers are endless. By adding 1 to any chosen large number, the next number can be found. Logical and mathematical operations of numbers are used in everyday arithmetic of numbers. These operations can be made easier using properties. Certain properties of numbers are already used without actually knowing them. For example, while adding 8 plus 2 plus 7, one way of adding is 8 plus 2 are added first to get 10 and then 7 is added to it. Right, find the value of 6 plus 3 plus 8, 3 plus 6 plus 8. Are they same? They are same. 17 only. Is there any other way of rearranging these three numbers? Right, there is 8 plus 3 plus 6. There are. Find the value of 5 into 2 into 6 and 2 into 5 into 6. Are they same? They are same. 60 only. Is there any other way of arranging these numbers? Right, 6 into 2 into 5 or 6 into 5 into 2. If 7 minus 5 is the same as 5 minus 7, no. No. 7 minus 5 is 2. 5 minus 7 is minus 2 because 5 is less than 7, right? That is why. What is the value of 15 minus 8 minus 6? Is it the same as 15 minus 8 minus 6? No. Brackets means a lot. 15 minus 8 is 7, 7 minus 6 1. This answer is 1. But here 8 minus 6 is 2. This is 13. Both are not same. What is 15 by 5? 3. So is it same as 5 with 15? No. 1 by 3, right? Okay. These are not same. This is 1 by 3. This is 3. What is the value of 100 by 10? 10. 10 by 5? 2. Is it same as 100 by 10 by 5? No. This is 50. Why means brackets means a lot. If you put brackets in different places, the result is not going to be same. That is why. The properties of numbers are important facts to be remembered, which helps to do arithmetic calculations more precisely and to avoid mistakes. Properties of whole numbers: commutativity of addition and multiplication. What is this commutativity? When two numbers are added or multiplied, the order of numbers does not affect the sum or the product. This is called commutativity of addition or multiplication. Okay, whether you add 43 plus 57 in this way or 57 plus 43, result is going to be same. Similarly, 12 into 15 or 15 into 12, result is going to be same. That is called commutativity of addition or multiplication. Okay. Such facts are called as equations. In each of the above equation, the answer on both sides are same. Finding the answer for the third and fourth equations takes more time, but these equations are meant to convey the properties of numbers. The third equation is correct by commutativity of addition, and the fourth equation is correct by commutativity of multiplication. Okay, there is a nice pictorial way of understanding commutativity of multiplication. If we have 5 rows of stars, each with 4 stars, we can write total of for 20 stars as a rectangle. 5 into 4. See figure 1.2 below. Now rotate the rectangle to get C as given below. It is the same rectangle, it has exactly the same number of stars. Now it has 5 rows and 4 rows and 5 columns. Still you got same number of stars. Now 7 look at the following example. 7 minus 3 is 4, but 3 minus 7 will not give the same answer. Similarly, the answer 12 by 6 and 6 by 12 are not equal. That is 7 minus 3 not equal to 3 minus 7. 12 by 6 is not equal to 6 by 12. Hence, subtraction and division are not commutative. Use at least 3 different pairs of numbers to verify that subtraction is not commutative. Now you can do, if 10 by 5 the same as 5 by 10, justify it by taking 2 more combinations of numbers. It is not same. Is it is not if is 10 by 5 the same as 5 by 10. No, you can take any other examples as well, but don't okay, you can take any numbers, but don't take equal numbers. You will get one only, right? Associativity of addition and multiplication. When several numbers are added, the order in which the numbers are added does not matter. This is called associativity of addition. Similarly, when several numbers are to be multiplied, the order in which the numbers are multiplied does not matter. This is called associativity of multiplication. It can be said that the following equations are correct without actually doing any addition or multiplication, but by using the property of associativity. A few examples are given below. Okay, so this one, like this, like this, like this, like this. This is same. This is same. This is same. This is same. It is to be noted that here too subtraction and division are not associative, right? Distributivity of multiplication or addition or subtraction. An interesting fact relating to addition and multiplication comes from the following patterns. What are those patterns? 72 into 13 plus 28 into 13. You can take 13 common. 72 plus 28 into 13. Both are same. Okay. Similarly, 102 can be divided as 100 plus 2. So 37 into 100 plus 37 into 2 will also give you the same result. Here 98 can be written as 100 minus 2. So 37 into 100 minus 37 into 2 will also give you the same result. This is the better way of doing the 37 into 98 multiplication. Why? Because any number can be easily multiplied with 100 by adding two zeros. Okay. In the last two cases, we are actually noting down the following equations. This is 100 plus 2. This is what I am telling, right? It can be noted that the product of a number and a sum of numbers can be written as the sum of two products. Similarly, the product of a number and a number got by subtraction can be written as the difference of two products. This property is called as property of distributivity of multiplication or addition or subtraction. It is very useful property to group numbers in a convenient way. Now let us say 18 into 6 equal to 10 plus 8 into 6 in an easy way as shown in figure 1.3. See in this figure 18 columns are there, 6 rows are there. Okay, now we are dividing this into 10 into 6, right, plus 8 into 6. 18 only we are dividing as 10 one group and 8 one more group. Okay, so this is clear, right? In this picture we divided 18 as 10 and 8 with by keeping same number of rows. Okay, that is what shown in the equation form like this. It is to be noted that the addition does not distribute over multiplication. For example, like this, 10 plus 10 into 10 plus 5, these are not equal. Okay, fine. Identity for addition and multiplication: when 0 is added to any number we get the same number. Similarly, when we multiply any number by 1 we get the same number. So 0 is called additive identity and 1 is called multiplicative identity for whole numbers. Okay, you can proceed further. Okay, finally, these are some simple observations that are important. When we add any two natural numbers, we get a natural number. Like example, 8 plus 7 will give you 15. 8 plus 12 will give you 9, 20. 8 plus 24 will give you 32. All are natural numbers. When we add any two whole numbers, we get a whole number. That 0 plus 5, 5. Okay, 1 plus 7, again 8. Similarly, when we multiply any two whole numbers, you get a whole number. When we add a natural number to a whole number, we get a natural number. When we multiply a natural number by a whole number, you will get a whole number. Right. Any number multiplied by 0 gives 0. Division by 0 is not defined. This is the most important thing in mathematics. Right. Has to be underlined with this red. Right. Division by 0 is not yet defined. Okay, so don't do this one. 6 plus 8 14 a natural number. 4 plus 5 9 a natural number. 4 into 5 20 a natural number. 6 into 8 48 is a natural number, right? 6 plus 8 14 a whole number. 4 plus 5 9 a whole number. 15 into 0 a whole number. 0 is a whole number. 22 a whole number. All such properties together play a vital role in the number system. When we learn algebra, we can realize the usefulness of these properties of the number system, and we can find ways of extending it too. Okay. Next exercise 1.5. The difference between the smallest natural number and the smallest whole number is natural number smallest is 1, the natural whole number the smallest is 0. So 1 minus 0 is what he is asking for, so you will get answer as 1. Okay, 17 into 34 is same as 34 into 17. When dash is added to a number, it remains the same, 0. Division by 0 is not defined. Multiplication by dash leaves a number unchanged. Multiplication by 1 leaves a number unchanged. 0 is the identity for multiplication of whole numbers. No, this is false. Sum of two whole numbers is always less than their product. Right. Sum of two whole numbers is always less than their. Not always. Okay. This is true for natural numbers, not for whole numbers, because there is 0, right? Both addition and multiplication are associative for whole numbers. Both addition and multiplication are commutative for whole numbers. Associative, second one, commutative. Both associative. That is correct. Both addition and multiplication are commutative for whole numbers. That means if you interchange, then the result is remaining same. Yes, this is also correct. Multiplication is distributive over addition for whole numbers. That is also correct. Name the property being illustrated in each of the cases given below. What is this property? Commutative. This is distributive. Identity, right? Oh, that is distributive. Last one is distributive. This one is that one being associativity. Associativity. Okay. This is associativity. Okay. This is distributive. Use the properties of whole numbers and simplify these things. Let me give you let me solve first bit for you. Okay. Property. Which property I am going to use? You name that property. Distributive. That is the answer. 5 z plus z, right? How much? 5100. Okay, that is the answer. Okay, like that you have to proceed. You got my point. Here you can take 500 common. Okay, I'm going to do the second one also. Okay, take 500 common. 689 minus 89. How much it will be? 500 into 600. Into is missing here. How much is the answer then? 30. 1 2 3 4 zeros. 1 2 3 4 zeros. Okay, that is the answer. Okay, you do the remaining using those properties. 50 plus 3 plus 49 into 0 0 59. Oh. Sorry for that. Right. Okay, the product of non-zero whole number and its successor is always odd number or even number. Non-zero whole number means 1 into 2 or 2 into 3 6, 3 into 4, how much? 12. Always an even number. The whole number that does not have a predecessor is 0. Which of the following expressions is not 0? This is 0, this is 0, this is not 0. Which of the following is not true? This is true, this is also true, this is not true. Try to open my locked suitcase which has the 5 digit, has the biggest 5 digit odd number as the password, comprising the digits. Find the password. Okay, 5 digit odd number but biggest means 8 has to come first, thereafter 7. Okay, right, then 5, then 4, then 3. That is the password. Okay, 8 is the biggest digit, thereafter 7, then 5, then 4 and 3. This is also odd. Okay, 3 at the end means odd number. As per the even number at the end makes it even, odd number at the end makes it odd. As the numbers and 2000 population of 4 states are given below, arrange the states in ascending and descending order of the population that you have been doing from the ages. So you can do this. Study of the following table and answer the questions. How many tigers were there in 2011? 1706. How many tigers were less in 2008 than in 1990? 2008. How many less? 16. 90. 16 means 3000. 16 5. 2100. What happened to all those tigers? What did you do? Oh no. Did the number of tigers increase or decrease between 2011 and 2014? They increased. If yes, by how much? This minus this much. 500 only. 520. Okay. 520. Mullai Kodi has 25 bags of apples. In each bag there are 9 apples. She shares them equally amongst 6 friends. How many apples do each get? Are there any apples left over? Let me see. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. 75 by 2. How much? 75 by 2. We cannot divide 75 by 2. So I am making 74 by 2. 37. Each one will get 37. The remaining leftover apple is 1. Okay. A poultry has produced 15,472 eggs and fits 30 eggs in a tray. How many trays do they need? Divide and calculate, ma. Hmm? Challenging problems. These are challenging problems. Read the table and answer the following questions. Write the Canopus star's diameter in words. That also you can do. In the Indian entrance system, that also you can do. Write the sum of the place values of 5 in Cyril star's diameter and in the Indian system. This also you can do. These systems you can do easily. Anbu asked Anjali to guess a 5-digit odd number. He gives the following hints. The digit in the thousand place is less than 5. The digit in 100 place is greater than 6. The digit in tens place is 8. What is Anjali's answer? Does she give more than one answer? Tens place only fixed. Okay. A digit in thousand place is less. Not one answer. You will get many more answers. A music concert is taking place in a stadium. A total of 7,689 chairs are to be put in a rows of 90. How many rows will be there? Will there be any chairs left over? That you can easily calculate. Right. Round off the 7-digit number to the nearest lakhs and 10 lakhs. Are they same? How can they be same? How can they be same? They are not going to be same. Okay. 10 lakhs means that is 30 lakhs. Okay. Nearest lakh means yeah, they are going to be same, I guess. 9 lakhs, yeah, they are going to be same. 30 lakhs only. Find the 5 or 6 or 7 digit numbers from a newspaper or a magazine to get a rounded number in the nearest result 1000. That you can do. First you find it and then you can do. So we are almost at the end. We will look at the summary. Okay, use of commas helps in reading and writing large numbers. That is correct. That is correct. Use of commas differ in Indian and international system. That is also correct. Comparing any two numbers, the one with more digits is larger. Simple rule. Comparing any two numbers, if the digits are same, the numbers that has a greater left leftmost digit is larger. The digits are same. Number that has a greater leftmost digit is larger. Right. Using BIDMAS, we can avoid the common arithmetic mistakes. Large numbers are needed for various situations in our daily life. The situations where we do not need the exact quantity, we use rise to estimation or estimation is approximating quantity to reasonable accuracy. Rounding of a number involves in getting a quick desired and rough estimate of it. If 0 is included in the collection of natural numbers, we get collection of whole numbers. 0 is the smallest whole number. 0 and 1 are the additive and multiplicative identity of whole numbers. Respectively, whole numbers can be added or multiplied in any number in order and hence commutative. Whole numbers can be added or multiplied in any order and hence commutative. Multiplication of whole numbers in both commutative and associative. Multiplication is distributive over addition over whole numbers. Division by 0 is not defined. So that's it, guys. We'll meet next time with second lesson of 6th standard. Okay. Nandri, vanakkam.